Hello everyone, welcome back, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Today we are in the garage. I'm going to be making a table saw outfeed table. So I've got my table saw set up here. I'm going to be measuring and then making the table for the boards to off feed onto there. Watched quite a few YouTube videos, seeing what different people did. I'm going to be, just kind of, I'm not going to be making it up as I go because I got a plan, but yeah, this is not going to be a how-to video. I'm just going to kind of show you what I'm doing, what my plan is. I wanted to draw you guys a picture, at least a rough picture of what this would kind of be laid out as. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take the 4x4s and I'm going to pocket hole them together in the shape of an L. Then I'll run 2x4s this way, okay? The top is going to be 6 feet by 4 feet, and eventually I'll probably add like a swinging door, so that, I guess not really a door, but swinging tabletop, so it'll be more like 8 by 4. And then I'm going to build the base 5 feet 8 inches by 3 feet 8 inches, so that the top has a little bit of an overhang so that you can clamp stuff to it a lot easier. And then the legs, I'm going to be putting locking casters on them. Those are 4 inches, and then I'm going to make it a little bit less than, so when it comes off the table, it's not hitting it or anything. It can kind of, it's got a good transition. Going to be 31 7/8 for a total of just about 3 feet. So I don't have a miter saw table or any way to like set up something to have a set thing. So I just measured off of my miter saw and got it to here and was able to make my cuts with that. Worked out pretty well. I spent way too much time to figure out what I was gonna rig up to do that. And this morning I was like, oh, just a wall or the workbench or something. And then table saw worked out well. Now I've got a whole lot of pocket holes to drill. Alright, so you can see I got my L, pocket holes, the screws in them. I'm just going for nice. I'm not going for perfection. So it'll definitely be functional. welcome.
What one?
What, baby? What?
Dad, what are you going to put on here?
Take hold, babes.
Oh.
Okay, don't step on my work. Step over it. Thank you. Well, hi, Spider-Man.
We can test you. Daddy, you
How's it going? Costume time, huh?
Are you doing this on now?
Huh?
Are you doing this on now? Well, I want this one. The blue head.
I got the plywood out of my truck. Oh, yeah, I should have asked for help. I'm gonna rip about 2 feet off of it. And then I don't have the right screws to screw this to the top, so that's gonna have to happen a little bit later after the football game. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. This piece of ply, it's a maple plywood. It looks really nice. All right, so I forgot to turn the camera on when I cut the plywood. So I got the plywood cut. I use this jig here. This is a pretty cool jig. You can set the distance and that runs along the edge. Got the piece over there. Yeah, forgot to turn the camera on. That's gonna do it for this weekend. I need to go buy some screws for putting that in. But yeah, I will put the kind of finishing touches on what the first stage of what this is gonna be a little bit later. I'll probably end up putting some drawers under here. I'm not sure what else, but that's kind of the ultimate plan. But I do have a project in the works for the coming weeks, so I wanted to get something I could be able to work on, and this is gonna be perfect for that. As always, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a good one.